Hello everyone, and today is 26th December, and we are not trying to focus on is solar eclipse because on 26th December it was announced that it will be a solar eclipse. So, what actually is solar eclipse? Solar eclipse is a position when we are not able to see the sun. So, basically, we are here on the earth, and how the sun rays will be obstructed, and what are the conditions when we are not able to sun. The only reason when there will be some obstruction here in the middle. So what that obstruction can be, see, we have a satellite, that is moon, and the moon is revolving here around us, that is the earth. Okay, and when the moon is revolving around the earth, most of the time when it is here in front, means in the middle of sun and the earth, when the moon comes, we are not able to see the sun. You see, you can see when the moon is here, we are not able to see the sun directly. When, so there is a possibility, there is three types of eclipse. One time, see, first, when when in three types of eclipse, there is a partial solar eclipse, there is an annular solar eclipse, and a total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse, we are not able to see the sun completely, and in partial solar eclipse, the sun is, we are able to see the portion of the sun. Here we are able to see the portion of the sun, and in the partial solar eclipse, this is annular. Actually, it is a type of ring. You can see here, we can put a finger inside here, and that is called that is why it is called a annular solar eclipse. It's like a ring. Okay, so that is an annular solar eclipse, and in the partial solar eclipse, only a portion of the sun can be seen. So this is solar eclipse. Now, um, on 26th December, it was announced that it will be it will be an eclipse, and the eclipse is to be started on 8:09 a.m. and it will end by 11:19 a.m. Okay, so basically there is various do's and don'ts, and there are myths associated with this. What we don't have to do, we what we don't have to do is, we don't look to the sun directly. There are various gears which we can use, and we can then look to the sun and see the eclipse. What are these gears? We can use this welder's glasses rating 14 and above. We can use various types of binoculars and telescopes to watch this. Directly seeing it can damage your eyes, because various types of ultraviolet rays directly comes into the eyes, so it is very dangerous to look at this period. So what are the myths associated with this? There are myths associated, like pregnant women will have effect on their babies. There are even this myths associated that the food which is prepared in the events are going to be poisoned, and there are various types of myths, but these are all false. Even there are myths associated that the pickles, that is achar, which is there in your utensils, it's also going to spoil. So these are common misbeliefs. There are some superstitions, but there is no backing from scientific reasons. So these are just what we call a myth, and they don't have any scientific reasons, so scientists cannot, or science cannot prove it. So these are all myths. What we have to do, that we have to just take care of ourselves by not just looking directly on to the sun, and this is the only precautions we need to take care. And if you want to see the sun and see the eclipse, we need to take appropriate gears, and that's it. So hope you guys have enjoyed this, and if I get some important update regarding this, see, when the event comes, and when you see these types of you need to, when you read about all these types of things, even when it is you, when you read about these things during the event, it will last long for you. So today it is solar eclipse, and I am telling about solar eclipse. So this type of thing, it will be in your mind for longer period. Okay, hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you very much.